Stop relying on walking and squats if you want stronger legs after 60. It sounds crazy, but if you're still struggling to get out of a chair or feeling shaky on the stairs, those exercises are actually failing you. Just last week, an 87-year-old gentleman told me he walks every single day, yet he's more afraid of falling than ever. He was working so hard, but his legs kept getting weaker. He was targeting the wrong muscles. Here's the truth. Walking is great for your heart, but it does not build new muscle. And traditional squats? They often destroy your knees before they ever strengthen your hips. Today, I'm showing you 5 equipment movements that saved his legs. No squats, no walking. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm giving you a 30-second independence test you can do right at home to see where you stand. Drop a comment with stronger legs, your age, and where you're watching from so I can welcome you to our Senior BeWell family. Let's get started. Our first exercise is the seated knee extension. This movement strengthens the muscles on the front of your thighs, making it easier to stand up, climb stairs, and move with greater confidence. Sit near the front edge of a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Sit up tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and look straight ahead. Place your hands lightly on the sides of the chair for support without leaning backward. Slowly straighten one leg until your knee is almost fully extended. Do not lock the knee. Pause for 1 second at the top and gently tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh. Then slowly lower your foot back to the floor with full control. Move smoothly and avoid rushing. Breathe out as you lift your leg and breathe in as you lower it back down. Keep your breathing steady and never hold your breath. Complete 10 to 15 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other. Focus on slow, controlled movements instead of speed. Avoid swinging your leg or using momentum. Keep your upper body still and let your thigh muscles do the work. If you cannot straighten your leg comfortably, simply lift as high as you can without pain. Every controlled repetition helps build stronger legs. Our second exercise is the seated calf raise. This movement strengthens your calf muscles, which help you push off the ground when walking, improve balance, and make every step feel more stable. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Keep your knees bent at about 90 degrees and place your hands lightly on your thighs or the sides of the chair for balance. Keep your back straight and look forward. Slowly lift both heels off the floor as high as you comfortably can, while keeping the balls of your feet firmly on the ground. Pause for 1 second at the top and gently squeeze your calf muscles. Then slowly lower your heels back to the floor with full control. Avoid letting them drop. Breathe out as you raise your heels and breathe in as you lower them. Keep your breathing relaxed and steady throughout the movement. Complete 15 to 20 repetitions. Move slowly and focus on lifting as high as you comfortably can while maintaining control during every repetition. Avoid rocking your body forward or pushing down with your hands to help lift your heels. Do not rush through the movement or bounce your heels up and down. Let your calf muscles do all the work. If lifting both heels feels too difficult, raise them only as high as you comfortably can. If you experience discomfort, reduce the height of the movement and continue at a slow, controlled pace. Small, consistent movements are the key to building stronger calves and steadier legs. Our third exercise is the straight leg raise. Lie comfortably on your back, with one leg bent and the foot flat on the floor. Keep the other leg straight with your toes pointing toward the ceiling. Place your arms by your sides and keep your lower back in a comfortable, neutral position. Slowly tighten the muscles on the front of your straight leg. Keeping the knee straight, lift your leg until it reaches about the height of your opposite knee. Pause for about 2 seconds at the top, then slowly lower your leg back to the floor with full control. Do not let it drop. Breathe out as you lift your leg and breathe in as you lower it. Keep your breathing slow and relaxed throughout the exercise. Complete 8 to 12 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other side. Focus on smooth, controlled movements instead of lifting your leg as high as possible. Avoid lifting your hips off the floor, arching your lower back, or swinging your leg. Keep your movements slow and let your thigh muscles do the work. If keeping your knee completely straight feels difficult, simply lift the leg a little lower while maintaining good control. If you feel any sharp pain, stop the movement and work within a comfortable, pain-free range. Our fourth exercise is the standing hip abduction. This movement strengthens the muscles on the outside of your hips, helping improve balance stability, and control every time you walk or stand on one leg. Stand behind a sturdy chair and lightly hold the backrest with both hands for support. Stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart and keep your shoulders relaxed. Shift your weight onto one leg while keeping a slight bend in the standing knee. Slowly lift your other leg straight out to the side. Keep your toes pointing forward and your knees straight, but not locked. Lift only as high as you can without leaning your body. Pause for 1 second at the top, then slowly lower your leg back to the starting position with full control. Breathe out as you lift your leg and breathe in as you lower it. Keep your breathing steady and avoid holding your breath. Complete 10 to 15 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other side. Move slowly and stay in control from beginning to end. Avoid leaning your body to one side, turning your toes upward, or swinging your leg to gain momentum. Keep your upper body tall and let the muscles on the outside of your hip do the work. If you feel unsteady, hold the chair a little more firmly and lift your leg a shorter distance. The goal is steady, controlled movement, not lifting your leg as high as possible. Our fifth exercise is the split sit to stand. This movement strengthens each leg individually while improving balance, coordination, and the ability to stand up with greater confidence. Sit near the front edge of a sturdy chair. Place one foot slightly behind you so it does most of the work. Position your other foot a little farther forward to provide light support. Keep both feet flat on the floor, sit up tall, and look straight ahead. If needed, lightly rest your fingertips on the chair or a stable surface nearby for balance. Lean your body slightly forward from your hips and press through the heel of the leg closest to the chair. Slowly stand up until your hips and knees are fully extended. Pause for 1 second at the top, then slowly lower yourself back into the chair with control. Let the stronger leg assist only as much as necessary while the working leg does most of the effort. Breathe out as you stand up and breathe in as you slowly sit back down. Keep your breathing smooth and never hold your breath. Complete 8 to 10 repetitions with one leg in the working position. Then switch your foot placement and repeat on the other side. Move at a slow, controlled pace and focus on good form during every repetition. Avoid pushing off forcefully with the front leg, dropping quickly into the chair, or using momentum to stand. Keep your knees pointing in the same direction as your toes and stay in control throughout the movement. If standing all the way up feels too difficult, rise only part of the way and gradually increase the height as your strength improves. Every controlled repetition helps build stronger legs for standing, walking, and everyday independence. Let's do our Senior BeWell leg strength check. Sit on a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest if you can, or lightly place your hands on the chair for support. Stand up and sit back down 5 times at a slow, controlled pace. Notice how your legs feel. Do you feel steadier? Does standing up feel a little easier? This isn't a speed test. It's simply a quick way to measure your progress. Repeat this same check 1 week from today and compare how much easier it feels. If you're committed to building stronger legs, comment stronger legs, along with your age and where you're watching from. The most important thing to remember is that stronger legs are built one session at a time. Every controlled repetition brings you one step closer to better strength, balance, and independence. Stay consistent and focus on moving with good form rather than speed. Even a few minutes each day can make standing up, walking, and climbing stairs feel easier over time. Before you leave, comment stronger legs, along with your age and where you're watching from. It's always inspiring to see our Senior BeWell family growing stronger together. If you enjoyed today's routine, please like this video, subscribe to Senior BeWell, and watch the next leg strength workout on your screen.